Hey guys, Pete with you here. It's Tuesday, February 16th, and today just happens to be my birthday. And it's a milestone birthday, 60. It's really weird to say, but you know what? I don't feel it at all. And I decided to come out, do a vlog up here in Cecil County, actually in the Port Deposit area. There is a abandoned bridge that I'm gonna find, and we're gonna go check it out together. Oh, you can see the Beetlemobile back there. Hi, Beetlemobile. Here we go. Just up ahead here, I do see a bridge, so I'm not sure if that's it or not. It looks kind of old, but there is a car going over it, so that cannot be it. Wrong bridge. But hey, take a look at that. And down that way, just over the trees there, is the Susquehanna. And this goes right into it. All right. Gonna head up this way now. That tree has seen better days. I was trying to figure out what that was that the water is going over. So when I parked, I did see this bridge right here, and I'm wondering if this is it, really, because it looks old and not used at all. So I am going to take a closer look. As I was walking, I was admiring that house over there and the view that they have. Lucky. So I'm walking across the street. This is actually, I think it's Moore Avenue or Moore Road, one or the other. It's Moore something, but look at this. That is just so fascinating. Now I'm completely under it. Pretty cool, huh? I do not enjoy seeing graffiti. Here's the other side. So again, I'm not sure if this is it, but I did spot something else just up ahead, and I think that is what I'm looking for right there. Let's go get a closer look. So yeah, I believe this is exactly what I was looking for right here. And yep, that's the bridge right there. And that doesn't look like it's been used for a while either. But this one looks really old. I'm gonna see if I can get up this hill. Yes, you know me. I will do these things to get whatever good shot I can. We're walking up this together, my friends. And it is pretty steep. And I don't want to slip like I just almost did. Little tricky, but I made it. Yeah, it's way down yonder. There's the Beetlemobile. So let's go check out what's left of this bridge. All right, here it is, what's left of it. And you can see that wood is just rotting away. And I know what you're thinking. Is he gonna be stupid and try to cross it? To answer that question, no. Heck no. But how cool is this though? It went over right under the bigger bridge up there. But pretty shot up here. I'm gonna go over to the edge. Not too close. Here, there's the edge right there. And another look at this bridge. And the larger one. I'm thinking that that was maybe a train bridge or something. My brother would know. He knows everything about trains and things like that. Yeah, very enjoyable to check this out on a not so cold day. I mean, look at the structure of this bridge here. Look at, you got iron there and you got lots of stone over there. And they used wood, of course, and that wood is just deteriorating away. It would be cool though if it was walkable or somewhat walkable, but again, I am not going to take any chances. No, no, no. Still, what a sight to see. I hope you guys are enjoying this too. Very, very pretty up here in Fort Deposit. Lots of history too. No, I'm not going to walk across it. I was just showing you how flimsy this thing is and how rotted as well. What a sight to see though. Alright, time to work my way back down. So I just came from over there and that's the way I came up on that side. And there's also a way to go down here. I'm not going to go down there today though. But you can see, you can walk up alongside of it for a ways. Look at the snow on the hill. Picturesque. Good news. I made it down without falling. That is good news. So, if you want to go fishing here, there is a 2 trout per day limit. So you can go trout fishing in here. There you go, my fishermen friends. And just to show you how bad of shape this bridge is in, you can see kind of in the middle there, there's absolutely no wood. And there's some there going across that's just rotting away, but there's no wood there. There's just one piece there. So, not doable at all, but I would like to check out the other side sometime. That'll be another day. Right across the street, there's like a dirt driveway, or you have mud now, a private property. I'm wondering, yes, I wonder, if there's a way to get up there. I'm sure there is, but a very doable way to get up there. Check out this taller bridge. Well, it looks like the way to get up to the top of it is climbing up this really steep hill, which video doesn't do it any justice, but believe me, it's super, super steep. Let me check out this other side though. There's water coming out of the right up there. Dripping right down here. Side over here looks like it could be doable, but still, man, that is very steep. It's funny, my voice is kind of echoing under this bridge. Can you hear it? Hello? Hello, hello! Man, this is tempting, but again, I'm not. Did you hear that? That's the rock slipping out under my shoes. So I'm gonna have to come back another time. A little more prepared. But that would be the way up right there. Some beams right there. Even though this is doable, I'm not going to do it today because I'm not prepared to put on my hiking shoes and gloves. I'm not wearing gloves either. But as you can see, there's a see that wire? That looks, something just went over. Did you hear that? So this bridge is still being used. Pretty cool. So you can see that bridge that I was just atop of, and to the other side over there. There must be a way to get over there, and I'll figure it out someday. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. This looks like a pretty good spot to wrap today's vlog up. Hey, I want to thank you all of you, so much for joining me today and on all my adventures. I promise there's gonna be plenty more headed your way. Now today just happens to be my birthday, 60 years old today. I decided to take the day off and enjoy myself, and doing these vlogs, trust me, I am enjoying myself. So thanks again for watching, all of you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And remember to just take good care of each other, stay safe, be healthy, and I will see you on the next one. This is Pete saying peace and love. See you next time, guys. Bye.